Let's talk about what APA style is and why it matters. Why do your professors care so much about APA style? APA style gives you a consistent, structured way to communicate with your reader. The structured format helps you organize your argument efficiently and lets the reader find what they need quickly. APA's citation guidelines also help prevent accidental plagiarism and unethical behavior. When you and the reader both speak APA style, you can quickly and clearly communicate where your information came from. What do people mean when they say APA style? Many students think of the in-text citations and the reference list at the end of a paper. Those are important, of course, but APA style really covers a lot more. There are guidelines about the tone and style of your writing. There's also a specific way to format your paper. We'll introduce those rules, then cover the in-text citations and references. There are many other elements of APA style. We won't cover those in this tutorial. Spend time reading the APA Publication Manual and the official APA Style blog to get familiar with the more intricate areas of APA style.